When I talk to people about what they eat, a lot of them will be like, well, I really don't eat a lot, but I do snack. What you perceive as a snack could be the reason you aren't making gains. These are what we've normalized as snacks, and honestly, I think that's what's stopping a lot of people from achieving the body they want. Now, me personally, a snack is gonna be a smaller portion of the meals that I normally eat. I'm gonna link a few of those, a few examples so you can see like what's considered a snack for me. And not all snacks are bad, just keep it in moderation. Like my go-to snack, if I do need a snack, would be these pumpkin seeds. Salt and vinegar, again, simple works, less is more.